Because there's resistance to change. Why? Because the people that design these systems do not know how to design these systems. They're talking about me, and in the future, they're talking about you. Yes? Let me even address these four people. Why don't you take care of people through your primary mechanism, which is your job? So it doesn't seem right to kill people and then to go give balloons to orphans. But you cannot kill people and say, oh, I killed 100,000 people. They say, ooh, here's a balloon orphan. Not exactly right. Your mindset at this moment has to be, how do I educate myself to design systems for my company, for myself, for my society, so that this society can benefit and improve? Are we okay? Go on. And the key, the next slide is just basically a roadmap. And this roadmap is something that I developed for a company, a hospital. And one of the key things that you'll see is sustainability. The focus that you have to have is on sustainability. Have you seen this before? Say yes. What is this? What is this? This is what you came. This is called the Lean Institute, right? And I'm going to show you how we disagree with the Lean Institute. So this is the Toyota production system. The Toyota production system is the most generic roadmap. This is your roadmap. It says, do this first, then do this, 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 then do this. This is the roadmap by which you are taught on how to design a system. Fair enough? It says activities. I don't know what these activities are, but it says if I can lay my machines out and if I can train my people differently, if I can standardize my efforts, then I can create what? What you did in exercise number 1, one-piece flow. If I can reduce the setup time and small lot reduction and I'm a single-piece flow, I can reduce my, where is it? My lead. You see, there's a roadmap. Do you like this roadmap? Say yes. Say yes. Watch this. Go up this arrow. Go up this arrow. What do you see? That says, one of the focuses of lean systems, if not done properly, is to reduce the cost of companies by doing two things: reducing inventory cost and reducing labor. So you are going to enhance the system to reduce inventory cost and reduce labor. Are you okay with that? Philosophically, are you okay? I'm asking you the question. You're going to be the designer of your systems in your country. So how many of you here are going to be okay with laying people off? That's what it says. Say yes. Why do I care? Lay him off, everybody lay off. If I get a bonus and I get a promotion, excellent. Yes? Yes or no? Who said? Who said? No? Why? Why? Tell me why no. But remember, at this moment, my perception of you, until you change my perception, is you're singularly focused only on yourself. And to create the next level of leadership does not mean that you're technically capable. It requires two things: character and technical capability, character. So what I'm asking you is what kind of character does one have if all one thinks about is themselves? And I'm not saying that you should not have a Mercedes, that you should not have a house in Spain, but you should do it with respect to what? The welfare of other people, because you will have a greater legacy. You're still going to achieve all of those things, but you have to think about the people. Are we good? Yes or no? Paul? Yes. This is something you're going to learn, all right? But at this moment, all I want to know is that you understand for your projects, there is a roadmap. Yes? There's a roadmap. It is not. What we don't want you to do is what is wrong here, there's a table here. Watch this. Oh, these two glasses are alone. Oh, see this? Oh, they're too far away. Ooh, great design. This is not the design I want. I want your design to systematically think about doing what? Doing what? What is it that we want you to do? That's what we want. This is a component of how you're going to think. Go ahead. Keep on going. All right, let me tell you about a few things. What is the difference between you and I at this moment in this class? This is a system, right? The system is here where you are here for 1 month. Our job is to make sure that by the time you go back into your country, you think very differently. And you use the best of what you've learned here to progress for yourself. At this moment, there is a resistance. Resistance is what? The system is not working well. You're very polite and you're very nice. But I know inherently that this system is not going to work. Why is the system not going to work? What is the main thing in your mind at this moment? What do you think of the success of the day today? Your success of the day today is what?
To learn something new.
No?
Change the mindset.
Huh?
Change the mindset.
No? You know what your main side is? How do I get out of this quick class as quickly as possible with doing the least amount of work, okay? Is that not true? Say yes. Our job, if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 people, is what? To change your mindset. So we have a conflict. Even though you're very polite, I can tell you who is paying attention and who's not. We have a contingent of Chinese students that have consistently been on the cell phone. Yes, well, what's that? That gentleman right there. Why are you on the cell phone? You see, and it's not, some of you are physically here, but mentally not here. So we have a difficulty where we have to keep you here to be able to teach you. You, I believe, have used, some of you have used it as an excuse, as a pseudo vacation. How many of you have already found bars? How many of you found bars? Raise your hands. Oh, poor guys. These are honest guys. How many of you have found bars? I'm going to come back. Have you found one? Have you found one? Have you found one? Have you found one? No? No. Good boy. Have you found one? You have not found a bar. Huh? Why is it that if you have, and I understand in Mexico, because of the devaluation of the peso and so forth for Brazil, a lot of this stuff. If you have spent this much money, why are you at the bars? I'm asking a question. Don't you think you would have a cheaper vacation if you did not have this class? Instead of paying the fees for this class, why did you use that money to go in a resort? And you don't even have to go to the bar. You can just call the room service and say, bring me some drinks, bring me some food. Why did you not do that?
Because I think that we can do both here. We can study and have a.
Because your parents would not allow you to spend that much money. Say, Mama, Papa, I am now going over there and will spend $100,000 to go have fun. So you use this as an educational excuse.
I'm totally with you. I pay my money.
All right.
I pay this, so I can do it both. I think that I can both have a good time here and study.
Well, we want you to have a good time, but here's the point I want to make. This slide talks about something called stock. Stock is what? Stock is this idea, stock. What is in my mind when I design? You see that? What is in my mind when I design? When you did your class projects, when you were in your class projects and you did your class projects, what was in your mind when you designed? You all did class projects, did you not? Some of these were actually for companies, yes? Say yes. What was the thought process that was in your mind? Stock. The thing that created you to think. This is, it dictates my behavior. What was that thought? How quickly can I get the project done? Yes or no? If you're going into a company, you're designing a system that impacts other people's work. Why was your stock? Why was your stock? How quickly can I get it done? So give me an answer. Not necessarily that my stock is always good. My stock is pretty bad too. For example, I could be thinking 2 stocks. How quickly can I finish this class? Because I have to also go to the bar. Or I can focus in on, say, how do we best teach these students and modify their behavior? So I can have 2 stocks. That stock, whether I use this stock or this stock, will indicate my behavior. Are we okay? You want to take a break? Take a break. Go take a break for 5-10 minutes. Come back.